Hello, my name is Jennifer Jarbo, and this is my reflection video for SPED 810, Technology and Special Education. I would say that there are a lot of things that I learned throughout this semester in this course. Specifically, things that had to do with assistive technology for hearing impaired students, particularly because I was thrown into a new environment at the beginning of the year in a new building, in a different position, and I ended up with two students who are hearing impaired, one of which who uses a communication device as well as his FM transmitter and a hearing aid every day. And so a lot of the information that we were learning in this class went along with what I was learning along with this student on how to use the new technology he was being introduced to. Not only did that information really pertain to what I was doing, but I realized that the technology that we use in special education doesn't always have to be high-tech. And that's kind of what the assumption was at the beginning of the semester when we started in this course for myself, was that when you talk about technology in special education, it's typically things like communication devices or, hearing aids, motorized wheelchairs, things that are more costly and are more high-tech. But the information that was provided in this course really made me realize that things like pencil grips and line paper and larger pencils and shorter pencils, things like that I was already using with my students, would be considered an assistive technology. And so that information really opened my eyes to the different varieties of assistive technology that my students could be using. There was one particular website that really stood out to me within this course, and that was the EnableMart website. And that is something that I use even now in special education IEPs and when talking with parents at conferences that are looking into assistive technology for their students, just because it had such a broad variety of resources and things that you really wouldn't consider until seeing it on that website. And so with all of the information that I've gained on what exactly assistive technology is and how that can be implemented, I really think it's opened my eyes to what I can do better in my classroom for my students and how I can better utilize the things that I already have and hopefully help those students utilize the assistive technology and better themselves and help them be as successful as they can be. So I really appreciate all of the information that I've gained in this course, and it's been a great semester. Thank you.